Hey, you always wanted to rip the box open, take the parts out and feel that metal. The Creality Ender-6 live unboxing recap on Zachary's 3D prints. Hey. Hello, this is Zachary, and like mentioned in the intro, today I'm going to show you the recap of the unboxing, build and first print of the Creality Ender-6. There's a reason for that, and that is that I'm going to do some special things with the Creality Ender-6 very close future. Here is the recap. I think this is already a pretty much pre-assembled, as I saw in some of the pictures. So one of the plates, I think this is the side where the Z-axis is. Another plate, another two plates, 1 and 2. The doors, the other door. Little box with some parts which I'm going to need in the build. A part of the spool holder. I think this looks like a very durable stepper motor for the extruder. This is quite big. And by the way, I'm thinking about it. This is bigger than a normal extruder. As you can also see here, a double geared extruder. Also here some controller board or a brake board. I like this kind of color. A decent spool of filament, 500 grams of filament, more corner pieces, the CoreXY part. So this is the bag with the tools. This is the bag with the screws and other things. So that one we also going to need. Another spatula, power cable I'm going to need in a later stage. So something like that. The profiles 4 times. Well, we only have just one here with 4 2040s. So like you can see, there is a little guide here. Hope you can see it. 1 and 2. You need the screw holes on the inner side, 4 pieces. The rest we put on the side. Something like that. That's more like it. So stepper motor. We have a stepper motor here. Let's attach the stepper motor first. The right panel, right? It is acrylic, so tight is tight, not over tighten it because and you will ruin your side panels. Then I'm going to attach the filament spool holder, something like that. we are going to attach the filament sensor. And then we are going to install the extruder. So this is a very tight, tiny space to do everything, to screw it in. Installing all the corner protectors. Oh, that works. Something like that. So now we are going to attach the cables from the heat bed. Then we take the screwdriver to unscrew this part. Something like that. Also, that one is going to be attached. So now we are going to attach all the cables in the breakout board, the Z and stop, TH1, TH1, fan, TH1. K fan. Where's the K standing for? K fan. So there are two K fans. One is for the filament and the other one is for the parts cooling. Heater 1. There is room here for a BL touch. The extruder. Well, let's take this cable to attach it right here. Duck. Detection. Now we're also going to put the cable in there. So So we have also doors to install, but that I don't do at this moment, so we can see on the inside.
This video is supported by these awesome Patreon supporters: The Lightspeed, Carl Fenton, Fixem Dude and Nate Williams. Thank you guys for your awesome support. You can also support this channel by checking the Patreon link in the description of this video. If you're still watching this video, you are amazing. Thank you for that. Please like this video, share this video with other people and on social media, and we will see each other next time. Peace. Bye bye.